In this video, I would like to show you how to look at an earlier version of your Fierce One project. So the reason why you might do that is because you are trying to update it or edit it for assignment 3150 and you're trying to make it look fancy and you wound up getting rid of a lot of information. So here's how you get an older version. Again, it would be that rough draft version. Maybe it wasn't perfect, but you had all the elements in it last Thursday or maybe even Wednesday. So here's what you do. You go to File, you click on Version History, and then you're going to see Version History. So I'm going to show you a couple of things. I don't know if it's going to make sense or not, but I'm sure going to try. So over on the side here, you can partially see some dates over here. I've been building this on the left-hand side right alongside you all. So if I go under version history, watch the change when I go and look at February 26th. You'll see changes on the left-hand side. There it is. Okay, obviously I didn't want that one. Here I am about to look at the March 3rd version. Do you see how on the left I'm restoring it? Or March 4th. I'm going to show this one. So this was probably the one that you had towards the end of last week. And it had elements, but it might have looked messy. Maybe your timeline didn't look so hot. Or maybe your quote, you didn't have explanation. You still had all this junk on there. What you want to do is take a look at that. If that is more complete than what you turned in as 3150, what you can do is restore the version, okay? And it's going to restore, okay? And that's kind of what it looks like. So you would actually file and you would make a copy of the entire presentation and you'd call it the March 4th one. Why are you doing this? It's because if you have more information on this one than what you turned in, make sure I see this one, okay? Okay. And if you want to restore the one that you turned in, you can do that. You just come back to version history. See version history here. Click on it. I don't want to show only named ones. I want to show them all. Oops. Should have been showing the top as well. So you're going to notice, if you can see way at the top here, my tabs, I've got a March 4th version, and then I've got this current version, the one that you maybe turned into me today. Okay, so that means you would have two versions of it. You can also see on the right how many edits I've made on this. So I don't know if that was helpful or not, but again, the point of this video was to get your most complete version, even if it's messy, your most complete version of your Fierce One slideshow that has the actual information embedded that we worked on in class last week. Don't know if this was helpful, but there it is.